In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily move a note to a different folder on Notes app. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first off, open up Notes app, then go to folders, and then first of all enter a folder from which you want to move a note to another folder. Then find a note, let it be that one, and all you have to do now is just hold down your finger at that note until it comes up, and then just hit add move and select another folder or create new one. I'm just gonna select test folder, and then I can go to that folder. As you can see, I have just moved that note to that particular folder. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.